Hey everybody, it's Busy Mark and I am back with another video, but before we begin, I am pleased to announce that The Modest Fitting has officially launched a women's clothing boutique offering skirts and dresses that embody modesty, femininity, and beauty. To learn more about dresses like this one and others available for purchase, head over to themodestfitting.com. But without further ado, let's begin. Is not merely a biological feature, it's a powerful symbol of identity, culture, and heritage within the American Black community. For generations, the act of washing hair in the kitchen sink has been a deeply rooted tradition, serving as a bonding experience among Black women and their children. This intimate ritual fosters connections between generations and creates a space for storytelling, laughter, and shared wisdom. The variety of natural hairstyles worn by Black people groups reflects the diverse tapestry of Black culture. From intricate braids and twists to afros and locks, each hairstyle carries its own unique history and significance, celebrating the beauty and versatility of Black hair. These hairstyles are more than just a fashion statement. They are an extension of ethnicity, tradition, and even a unique expression of God's creative craftsmanship. Hair care among mothers, grandmothers, daughters, and sisters is not just about physical maintenance. It's about nurturing relationships and preserving cultural heritage. Through the act of styling each other's hair, Black women pass down traditions, values, and knowledge from one generation to the next. These bonding experiences create lasting memories and strengthen the ties that bind Black families and the overall community together. The natural hair movement, which gained momentum in the 2010s, challenged pre-existing beauty standards and instead encouraged Black men and women to embrace their natural hair textures. This cultural shift sparked a revolution in how Black people perceive and care for their own hair, leading to a newfound sense of pride and confidence in our God-given beauty. In conjunction with the natural hair movement, there has been a growing interest in natural hair care practices and products. Many of us have turned to simple, natural ingredients like shea butter, coconut oil, and castor oil to nourish and moisturize our hair. These ingredients offer a holistic approach to hair care, promoting healthy hair growth and overall hair health. My eldest daughter has a skin condition that makes it unwise for us to use just any product on her skin, as it may trigger a reaction. Sometimes it can take months to fully recover from the damage. That's actually why I learned to make soap. In addition to teaching my daughters how to honor their heritage and cultural identity, I also wanted them to know that they can make all the hair products they will ever need right at home using ordinary ingredients. As I get older, I'm really beginning to understand that God hid most, if not all, of the things we would ever need to take care of ourselves in the simple ingredients right around us. Beyond this oatmeal blend I designed just for my daughter, I have made other formulas as well. In one of my previous videos, I shared with you all my experience with postpartum hair loss, and many of you shared with me the power of sulfur that's found in onion to encourage regrowth and how rosemary can revitalize follicles. You all spoke and I listened, and I made a special bar of soap harnessing all of those ingredients and have been using it to wash my hair ever since. I will keep you posted on my progress. You'll find both of these bars and many others available on themodestfitting.com. My handmade soaps are crafted with care and made by hand to facilitate healthy hair and skin. What other special soap blends do you think might be interesting to make? Leave your suggestion in the comment section below.